Jason.
Oh, dude.
Jason.
This is what she was talking about.
Jason.
This is Jeff. Do you need me to take care of it for you, Henry? Here, let me open my door here.
Jason.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We have Henry in the shop right now.
What's up, guys? We actually have a 2005 Jeep. It's an off-road Jeep. The owner doesn't care for it whatsoever. You guys can see Joey already went ahead and cleaned it up a little bit. But today we're gonna move on to the interior. So let's just give you guys a quick walk around.
Yeah, Joey did the exterior on the last part of this video. And it's not necessarily that she doesn't take care of it. It's just she likes going off-roading.
She likes going off-roading. She doesn't like washing it.
It's definitely dirty. It could use our loving touch, especially on the inside here.
You guys can see in the back, I mean, there's little leaves everywhere. So we're gonna make sure we clean everything all up. The carpet's dirty. It actually never has this top on, but she was nice enough to put this on today because it was gonna be sunny outside. But if you guys look at the weather, it's gloomy, so we should have the top off. But we're gonna be moving on to the interior, so let's just go over it. So there's actually carpet, and we fling open this door. Check out how cool this is. It opens wide open.
You'd think that this almost would hit this guy. It's very, very close, but it's got this cool little strap here to keep it from going all the way.
So you guys can, let's just walk inside and let's see what we have. So to start off with, we have rubber floor mats. They're pretty filthy, so we'll be cleaning that up. All the interior has sand, has debris. The control stock, you can't even see the control signal anymore of how dirty it is.
It's pretty filthy.
It's pretty filthy. It's a stick shift, but Jason, walk on that side so you guys can see.
Let's check this out. So
check out that 360 mode right here.
Based on what we have going on here, Henry, what are we gonna do with this? I mean, I see you got the drill brush out already.
I have the spinner also.
Spinner.
So I went with the light duty one because it actually has a design on the fabric, and the fabric doesn't look as durable if I should say, and it's 2005, so it's been through wear and tear. So there's a big stain right here, so we're gonna do our best to take that out. We're gonna be cleaning that seat, but to start off with, we're gonna start off from top to bottom. So we're gonna start off with the dashboard. The dashboard is huge. Have you seen it?
Yeah, it's pretty big.
It's tiny.
It's like, this is the biggest dash I've ever seen in my life. What is this?
Oh, this is a turbo boost.
That's the turbo?
Gauge, yeah.
Nice.
Running through here.
So there it is. It actually is the turbo boost.
Yeah, it is a turbo boost.
You're not joking.
Hey, whenever someone's not detailing properly, we're gonna call you guys out. We'll be like, over detail police, over we have a suspect, hasn't cleaned the car in 3 years, over.
I'm Officer Overspray, responding to a call today. We got a call, a CG-169.
Did you guys see Detail Police? If you did, put your notes in the comments. Let us know if you saw it. We could do another one of those episodes if you did. If not, check it out. But yeah, we're definitely calling the Detail Police on this one.
All right, anyways, guys, so let's get right into the cleaning part of this video before we get off track. First off, let me close this door.
It's a good reach you got there.
That was a pretty good reach. How do I look in here?
This suits you. I feel like this.
Jason.
Oh, dude. This is what she was talking about.
Jason.
This is Jeff.
Hi, I'm Jeff. Welcome to my detailing channel.
She said Jeff lives in this. Yeah.
Jason. Get this thing down.
She said Jeff lives in this car. Do you need me to take care of it for you, Henry? Here, let me open my door here.
Jason. Oh my God.
This is Jeff, guys.
I don't care.
She said Jeff lives in here. Oh, bro.
Screw that.
This was Jeff's home.
Oh, well, Jeff's now outside. How did a spider crawl on me?
Because he lives in here. She mentioned this yesterday.
Huh?
I heard there's a spider in there.
Yeah, his name's Jeff.
See, I told you it was Jeff.
Jeff.
I guess you want to see what happens to Jeff?
No. Oh.
I guess he's not living in here
He
anymore.
got evicted.
Oh, damn. You evicted Jeff, the spider.
Ejectocito. So let's start it off by cleaning off the dashboard. So today, we're gonna be using Nonsense Super Cleaner. So Nonsense Super Cleaner is an all-purpose cleaner that can be used around your whole entire vehicle. And I went with Nonsense Super Cleaner for one because the interior of this vehicle is always filthy, and it's been filthy for I don't know how long. So we're gonna do our best to break down the dirt and grime. What's that noise back there? You heard that?
This is
noise?
Jeff.
Jeff. So we use Nonsense Super Cleaner. Nonsense Super Cleaner, like I told you, it's an all-purpose cleaner that can be virtually used around your whole entire vehicle. And I'll be pairing it up with a boar's hair detailing brush. So the boar's hair detailing brush actually has boar's hair on it. That one is going to get deep into the cracks and pores of this vinyl and plastic. So whenever I wipe it or scrub it, it's going to cause a foaming-like action to it. So twist your nozzle to spray. You can spray directly onto your brush. I could spray directly onto the surface as well right now, especially because I don't mind getting overspray because I have to clean this whole entire interior. But I just want you guys to notice, like, I'm scrubbing this section right here, but it's actually dragging, like, super hard to scrub it. So So I just scrub it back and forth. And I'm actually using a light color workhorse towel, just so I can show you guys how filthy it is. So it's clean. What's your guess, Jason? It's dirty?
I think so, yeah. Holy moly.
So just imagine all of that has been sitting.
By the way, I've never said holy moly in my entire life until just now. So that was so out of character. Holy moly. Okay.
So you guys can see how filthy it is. I mean, there's
It's
a little
pretty
hair
dirty.
right there too, a little something on there. But we'll spray the whole surface down. We'll get our brush hair detailing brush. We'll scrub it side to side, and you guys can see Nonsense Super Cleaner starts penetrating the plastic, and it's going to lift up any dirt or grime or filth that might be stuck on here. So
Yeah, you can see like some of the dirt like dripping down too. It's like brown liquid now coming off of that.
I'm telling you, they don't take care of this Jeep. It's a beautiful Jeep that needs some love, needs some time and some care, but it's filthy. Just check that out, Jason.
Ooh. That's nasty, man.
Yeah, so just imagine, you like going off-roading, you're the type of person that just doesn't mind about getting dirt here, getting sand here, but you need to think about it this way. One, your car's an investment. You need to make sure you take care of it or else it will not last. Two, you need to have your interior clean, especially if you have AC. Like, just check out their vents. Like, the vents are filthy. So imagine you blast the AC, all of that sand is going to be going into your face. That's not going to be a pleasant feeling. So let me just show you guys how to keep cleaning. Spray, especially on top of here. I don't want to get overspray, so I'm just spraying it directly onto my brush. If you do get drips everywhere, just get a clean microfiber towel, wipe it right off, and you'll be good to go. So just scrub it out. Now you get a clean microfiber towel. But look, check out my brush.
Nice. It's like a little painting.
It's a little painting.
Happy little tree here. Okay, just like really get it going here. A little Bob Ross action. Look at that beautiful tree. Give it a little root action here.
Some clouds.
Some fluffy clouds up in the top here. Look at that. It's like a work of filthy art.
So, flip over to the clean side. Buff off the residue. Check this out. So if I open up this towel, all of that was just from this little small section.
This is like a Rorschach test.
Anyways, guys, we're just tangenting at this point, so we're gonna finish up cleaning up this whole entire interior. We're gonna give you guys a cool montage and a quick little time lapse. What are you feeling today, Jason?
I'm thinking montage.
A little quick montage, show you guys how to clean up all this plastic, including the steering wheel. And then after that, we're gonna be moving on to the stain.
Perfect.
And finally, can you guess it? It starts with an M.
An M, the mats.
Yeah.
The floor mats.
The floor mats, because a lot of people have these, and we want to show you guys how to restore them. I mean, super easy. You could use a drill, you could use it by hand. Should we show them by drill or by hand?
I'd say by hand, because we're going to show the drill on the fabric here.
All right, so enough talking.
Yeah,
Roll
so
them
basically
on top.
same process throughout the whole interior at this point is using the brush and some nonsense, wipe it off when you're done.
Yeah.
Push it to the left, I can't go no more. Red light, no, I'm coming back home. On dirt road, I'm all on my own. I'ma be great, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. 'Cause I'm coming back home. 'Cause I'm coming back home.
All right, we're about halfway through this right now, and I just want to point out
Floss.
why
Floss.
flossing. I want to point out why it's so important that Henry is wearing these gloves right now when you do interior jobs. Look at these towels that he's working with. Look how filthy these are. Like, you guys saw how much dirt was coming off of this steering wheel. Who knows what was on that? It was so gross. So anytime you're working on an interior of somebody's car, you definitely wear
Stay
gloves.
protected. So, all right, guys. So you guys might see me using brushes over there, but now I'm just moving on to towel right here. I'm just using a towel because there's a lot of intricate areas that where nonsense can get in here. For example, in here, it could get inside the vent. So there's a different way you could also use it. Just get your nonsense, spray it directly onto your towel. I like to make it like a little taco, and then I go to the area and I'll just wipe in one direction. Even though you scrub it, the microfiber strands are still causing a foamy-like texture to it, or effective, I should say. And then we have Chatty Boy coming out with the whole class.
If you didn't know, we
field trip
have
here.
a class here once a month at the end of the month called SDU.
Yeah.
It's
So look, check that guy out. You see that?
Smart
GoPro,
Detailing University
Chemical Guys
over
hat, Double GoPro.
Look at this, filming the filmers. And they're about to learn how to polish hoods. So if you too want a hands-on course, learn how to do all this stuff, taught by amazing instructors,
Yeah.
I mean, sign up.
So this is not just a class, this is a master course.
This
So
is
the
a
master
master
course
course, that's
teaches you everything from start to finish. I mean, marketing, how to start your business, how to run your business, what to do, what not to do. And then it also teaches you full hands-on on how to polish. Right now we give you guys hands-on on how to polish on a hood. And then
right.
after that we'll be bringing in amazing cars, Acura NSXs, Ferrari, so you can actually work on a real car and not just hoods like this. Any car you encounter,
That's right.
you know exactly what to do.
These guys are bringing in these sample hoods just to learn on. So
Yeah,
they
we
don't,
have people. We have faces from around the whole entire world. I mean, we have that gentleman right there with the turquoise shirt. He's actually opening up a detail garage, but I can't tell you guys that location yet. So
That's right. Stay tuned.
all right, guys. So we just finished vacuuming around the whole entire Jeep. Not the entire Jeep, I should say, because I'm still missing the driver's side. But now we're moving on to the seat. I'm already on this side, so let me just show you guys how easy it is to use our brand new spinner brush that attaches to any standard drill and nonsense to clean up the seat. All right, so you guys can see there's a super filthy side right here, and there's a dirty side here too. It's super sticky. I mean, yesterday it rained here in California, and she didn't have this soft top on. The seat is now sticky. It is time to remove all these water stains that are left behind. So I'll be using Nonsense Super Cleaner. Nonsense Super Cleaner is an all-purpose cleaner. Just simply spray it directly on where you're gonna be working on. I'll be doing my best at doing a 50-50 for you guys. I'll spray some onto my brush as well for added lubrication. And then I will go to the area I'm working on. I will push my brush down and just work it in. So what the spinner brush is going to do is going to extract all that dirt and grime or filth that might be sitting inside the fabric. It's going to uplift it, so whenever I pass up my rubber towel across it, it's going to remove it. So just, I'm not even going full speed. If I want to go full speed, you could, but light to medium speed is all you need to clean up this dirty seat. You like that rhyme, huh?
Rhymes, yeah. Light to medium speed's all you need. Light duty brush on your seats.
So just go side to side.
Henry's just really letting the brush do all the work here. Super slow. If you go too fast, you're also splattering the product everywhere. You don't want to.
Don't do this.
Yeah, look at that.
Don't do
That's
that.
just too much.
Very slow.
Yeah. Look at that nice foam action. Really uplifting all that dirt and grime from the fabric.
Grab a micro towel, just buff it right off. And now we'll just let it dry. By the time we're done cleaning this entire Jeep, the seat should be dry so you guys can see the results. So, let me just finish doing the rest of the seat.
You can see on the towel too, all that dirt's coming off on there.
But you guys can see how clean it looks. Even
Yeah.
though it's a little bit wet, it looks a lot cleaner than that side. That side looks a little bit filthy. So, I'll be attacking this whole rest of the side. I'll show you guys the results after.
Push it to the limit, ain't going no more. Red light, now we're coming back home. On dirt road, all my you. I'ma be the greatest, write my name in the stone. Write my name in the stone. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Yeah, I'm coming back home. Write my name in the stone. 'Cause I'm coming back home. 'Cause I'm coming back home.
All right, guys, so now we're gonna be moving on to the floor mats. The rubber floor mats, they're trashed, they're neglected. I mean, just check that out, how filthy it is. So how do you actually clean them? And today we'll be using Matte Renew, the nice and stiff brush, and some water. To start off with, I just want to get a little bit of running water, just so I could drench it and remove any of the light filth. So activate my water, spray it on there. All right, so now I will flip over my mat and inspect what I am left with. If I still look closely, there's still filth on the grooves. It's wet, I mean, but once it dries up, you guys can see how dirty it is. So this is where the cleaner Matte Renew comes into play. And all you want to do is just spray it on there. So Matte Renew is a cleaner and protectant for vinyl, rubber, plastics, especially on floor mats. It's not going to be oily, it's not going to be slippery, so just spray it on there. Spray some onto your brush for added lubrication. Now you go to the area you're working on,
Okay guys, so at this point the brushing sound is so loud I'm going to save your ears and just repeat exactly what Henry said. You go ahead and scrub the floor mat, mat renew starts foaming up and the foam is penetrating deep into the mat, so when I rinse it off and I dry it off, it'll be completely restored and not have this chalky effect. You can also use it on your truck bed, the bed liner in the back, to restore it and not make it slippery. Once you're fully done scrubbing, that's when you'll grab your water and rinse it off.
You guys can see how dirty the water actually is that's coming off. See how dirty that water is?
It's pretty gross.
Pretty gross. Let me just rinse it off one more time. Make sure everything is off. And just like that, I restored and cleaned the mats with one easy step. The nice and stiffy, mat renew. We'll walk back over to the Jeep. I'll grab a dirty towel, just so you guys won't say that we edited anything. I'll grab a dirty towel that's already soiled and I'll just dry it up. So I'll grab this one right here. Let me just dry it. The reason why I'm using a soiled towel is because I'm just removing the residue. So all the residue from the towel that's stuck in the microfiber strands will not come back onto here. So if you guys see, check out how I restored these floor mats using the nice and stiffy brush and mat renew. Compare this mat with the other one, so we'll walk back over to that side. And this all is one take, all right guys? No cuts, no edits. See the difference? Restored, chalky. Restored, chalky. So like that, using mat renew and the nice and stiffy brush, I went ahead and cleaned up the floor mat. Okay, so now we're gonna be doing the cherry on top, which is going to be applying HydroInterior. Like I told you guys in the beginning, the owner does not want any shine, but we're still gonna be protecting it because it does go off-roading a lot. So HydroInterior is an interior quick detail spray that has ceramic in it. So all you do is spray onto your microfiber towel, you rub it onto the area you want to protect. HydroInterior works on multiple different surfaces such as imitation leather, vinyl, rubber, plastic pieces. So like this, you stay protected, and anything that may land on it, it will not accumulate dust over time. It stays cleaner for much longer. So all you do is just spray and you wipe, and like this, you ceramic coat your interior as easy as a spray and you wipe method. So guys, if you guys like this video today and like this new style, make sure to drop a comment down below. Let us know exactly your feedback, whether you like it, whether you want to see more videos of Jason being mic'd up and me being mic'd up.
I'm gonna put a poll up so you guys can actually choose what videos you like to see or what you don't like to see. And then hopefully this car stays pretty pristine because, you know, now it's protected from dust too because of the HydroInterior.
Exactly. So guys, if you guys like the video today, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, comment down below on what other videos you want to see, and we'll see you guys next time right here at
Chemical Guys Detail Garage. You gotta say it at the same time, Henry.
Chemical
right here
Guys.
at the Chemical, right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage. There we go. There we go. Just kidding. I'm not gonna even put that part in the video. Yes, I am.
Push it to the limit, no more.